what does it takes to get AIR?
Self-discipline.
The practice.
Focus on the process rather than the results. धोनी की बात याद रखो, process को follow करो.
Perseverance and patience.
Believe in yourself. You can do it.
Proper planning and execution.
Trust your instincts and break the myths.
Manifest, work hard, and have fun in the middle as well.
Quality over quantity. Strong mindset होना चाहिए कि every time at every point of time 2 महीने बचे 3 महीने you should think कि नहीं you can pull it from here, and that's the important thing you should have.
Always stay honest to yourself. किसी को दिखाने के लिए नहीं पढ़ना है, अपने लिए पढ़ना है.
CA is not your life, it's a part of your life. Take it easy.
Failure is not final. It is a part of bigger success.